Hello, welcome to MadeByKM. I am Kaushik. I have been using garden soil for many years in all my planted aquariums and have got very good results using it. There are many benefits to using garden soil as a planted aquarium substrate. First, garden soil or topsoil is ridiculously cheaper than commercial aquarium soils, or in reality, it is available for free in our nature. Second, unlike the commercial soil substrates, garden soil lasts for many years. Thus, there is no need to replace the soil every 1 or 2 years. Third, soil naturally contains nitrifying and denitrifying bacteria that help maintain the nitrogen cycle in the aquarium. Soil bacteria break down organic matters like fish waste, plant waste, and uneaten fish foods and convert them into nutrients that plants can consume. As a result, plants grow like crazy in garden soil. Now, in this video, I'll show you the whole process of preparing garden soil and using it as a nutrient-rich substrate in planted aquariums. So let's get started. Here, you can use topsoil or the upper outermost layer of garden soil. Besides, soil is available for purchase in plant nurseries. You can also get soil from there. After collecting the soil, take a container of your choice and put the soil in it for soaking purposes. Then fill the container with water until the water level is a few inches above the top of the soil. Next, stir it well so that the soil breaks down and mixes well with the water evenly. In this process, all the light debris, dried leaves, twigs, etc. present in the soil will float on top of the water. Remove that dirty layer from the water and slowly drain the water as well. Again, pour water into the container, mix it well. Leave it in this state for a day or two and drain the water. Do this process at least 2 to 3 times. This water changing process will help to remove harmful chemicals, pesticides and inorganic fertilizers from the soil. Next, remove excess water from the container and place the soil under direct sunlight for a few days so that the soil dries completely. When the soil is completely dry, place it in a container and break it up well with a weeder. Next, take another container and place a vegetable strainer on it. After that, keep putting a small amount of soil in it repeatedly and keep pushing and rubbing the soil across the surface of the strainer. During this process, any other large and heavy materials such as stones, pieces of branches, plant roots, etc. will be removed and very fine and clean soil will accumulate in the container below. This sifted soil will feel like soft and airy sand. I have about 5 kilograms of soil here. I am now taking 1 kilogram of red soil and 500 grams of homemade organic compost and mixing these well with the garden soil. Red soil contains a high amount of iron content and potash. On the other hand, organic compost contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and other trace elements. So, these will enrich the soil and the plants will get all the necessary nutrients from it. The mixing is done and now this nutrient-rich DIY aquarium soil is ready for use in the planted tanks. Use 1 to 2 inch deep layer of this soil in the aquarium. Spray water on the soil so that it settles and then cover it with a shallow layer of coarse sand or 1 inch deep layer of 3 to 5 mm gravel. Be careful when filling the tank with water and do it slowly to avoid disturbing the substrate and exposing the soil. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.